The Quick Create or AI Search can be used to quickly search for and add multiple foods into any module in Nutritics. You can copy and paste ingredients to create recipes, diet logs, meal plans, menus, pricing, and production lists with a few clicks. This tool can be accessed anywhere in Nutritics to the right of the search bar. Select the AI Search tab and input ingredients and quantities into the text box. You can copy and paste directly from another source. If you're using a supplier database, you can even enter product codes instead of a food or recipe name. Click the orange button to load items into the search results for confirmation. The system will select the best match or most popular items used in the databases enabled in your account. We'll flag any search terms in red that could not be matched. For example, castor sugar could not be found in the database enabled. You can set specific search parameters using the advanced search tool. This will allow you to tailor the results, for example, using a specific database, or search within a recipe group. Set these before you click the Libro search icon and we'll update our suggestions. You can edit quantities or portions by clicking on the quantity drop-down and selecting a new quantity, then insert. To replace a match, hover over the item and click the three dots that appear. Choose from other suggested results or select the Choose Other option to open the Replace panel and search for a new item. When satisfied with the items, click the blue arrow at the bottom of the panel and select where you would like to insert the items. To access this from an existing item, for example a recipe you wish to edit, click the Quick Add button at the bottom of the existing recipes. In other Nutritics modules, it is accessed the same way. For example, in a diet log, you can click the arrow, AI Search, and input the items you'd like to add to the log. You can then input the items to a specific day if it is a multi-day log. If you have any questions on this tool at all, reach out to our engagement team at support@nutritics.com.